Good call, not inviting him into the huddle then.
Thanks. Okay, who here has noticed that Nitnots can't stop thinking about his hiccups?
Me.
Me.
Me too.
Exactly. So maybe if we can get him to stop thinking about his hiccups and start thinking about something else...
He'll forget about the hiccups and they'll go away by themselves.
Genius!
Yeah, good idea.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, movers!
Well?
Have you figured out how to cure my hiccups?
No. In fact, we're not going to think about your hiccups anymore.
No?
We're just going to think about...
Paper clips? Work! Your work!
But I can't get any work done because of these hiccups.
We can help you finish your work.
And we'll talk about anything you want. Except the hiccups.
Movers helping in my office? I don't think so. And certainly not dressed like that.
What's wrong with our mover suits?
Everything. They're too bright, too colorful. If you ever want to work for me, you'd have to change into something a lot less exciting. Don't the movers look wonderfully boring, Nina?
Yes. They look very, very plain.
Yes, perfectly bland.
Oh, look! Paper clips! Let's make a paper clip.
Don't touch. Those paper clips are all in a neat stack.
Look, I can turn these pens into a crazy mustache!
Pens are for writing, not
Crazy mustache.
wearing. Enough of this hullabaloo. You movers didn't come in here to play and have fun.
He's right. We came here to work. Work, work, work. And keep Nitnots from thinking about his hiccups.
Let's get to work then, before things get exciting again.
Today we're going to record one of Uncle Nitnot's boring stories on tape.
I wrote these myself, guaranteed to have zero adventure and excitement.
This is one we recorded yesterday before he got the hiccups.
It was the end of another day where absolutely nothing happened, and tomorrow promised to be just as unexciting. The end.
Wow, that's really boring.
Thank you. But as you can see, I'm in no condition to read these stories today because of my